Potia sai.
Ma.
Ba
kwa o se tsone kwa di go tsa di le kwa.
Na o sa ya ndawo
tsona khukhu.
Ha!
Tata yona jundisi.
Mtlwele.
Na khile.
Jojo Bafetu, like Tatsi. Welcome back to the channel. Today, Kavale B.O.B. Bubu.
That one.
Yes. Jojo ice cream. So today, we will attempt with fried ice cream.
Deep fried?
Yeah, deep fried ice cream. So I remember this one time, I think 2018 or 17. Telecom site some Melrose Arc. Arc or the Arch. Melrose Arch or Arc. That one. Yeah, so I was in this Chinese restaurant, 2Thai4. You must check it out. Chinese restaurant. So we ate Chinese food, Chinese drink, Chinese tea, and what. Then for dessert, I ordered some deep fried ice cream. I was like, hey, deep fried ice cream. Okay, one because like it's all guys. After all, it's all guys. What guys deep fried ice cream? So I was like, hey, deep fried ice cream. Let me order this shit. They give whatever it's all. Order deep fried ice cream. Then it came. Yo, so delicious. Yeah. So delicious. Considering, like even now, like I can still taste the homeness, the crunchiness, the coldness, the deliciousness of it. So today we're gonna attempt doing it.
You're not gonna attempt, you're gonna do it.
In fact, yeah. Yeah.
You know, we don't attempt to do.
So even if it was exactly how we expect it to be, we're still gonna show you the final results. Even if it's not the way we expect it to be, still gonna show you the final results.
He's doing wonders for my tonsils. No.
So yeah, wish us luck. Let's see how we ever go.
Cheers.
So what we need here is baking paper. Then wanna scoop the ice cream. Gonna scoop the ice cream.
Don't worry, we've washed our hands with jig and stuff. Yeah.
So our main essential tools, ice cream and some cookie crumbs or bread crumbs or Kellogg's and baking paper. Then scoop it. So we are done scooping our ice cream. There will be more pampiring jelly somewhere.
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah. So now the trick is that because you're gonna deep fry it, you don't want it to melt. So we're gonna fire it on the deep freezer for like an hour. So that it freeze again. It freeze again. Yeah, it was solid. So 1 hour has passed. Here's our frozen ice cream so far. So it's not frozen, but it's not bad. It's not bad also. So now we're done. Deeper. Come.
Here.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Here.
Sure. We get in there.
Yeah. So we deeper on the biscuit crumbs, then egg, then cornflakes crumbs.
Mixed with biscuits crumbs.
Mixed with biscuit crumbs. Then out. Back to the deep freezer. Please for me, yes. Is wrong? Is wrong na mas tender utlong.
Hot cold.
Ichang utlong. Ichang ko.
Hot cold.
Actually, very niya ito. Hot cold, you know? So, it is that way in the way, right? Come on. It's a basic season.
It's very crispy, not long. It's a very color of fish. Lemon is wine. Let's get him.
Let's say me, my friend, sometimes
Let's
sometimes I give you a lie. I can't imagine just so.
That's so shy, actually.
It's little. Give me the fellow. Hey. I don't know if I'm